What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to change input source on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So if you want to be able to change from one HDMI input source to another HDMI input source, or you want to change from a HDMI input source to AV or to live channels on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, simply what you just want to do from the home of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, make sure that you're actually at the home by pressing on the home button, and then the next thing you want to do is to just scroll downwards once so that you can get to this list of apps over here on the home page of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now the next thing you want to do is to just navigate to the left hand side once, just like so, and you will notice that there is actually the input source menu at the left hand side of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So what you want to do is to just scroll down and select the input source option over here, and you're going to see all of the input sources on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now to select any of the input source on my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV over here, basically I'll just scroll until I get to that particular input source. Take for instance, my PS5 is currently connected to HDMI 1, so I'll just go ahead and click on the OK button once I get to HDMI 1, and automatically I have been able to change to that particular HDMI input source. If you still want to change to another input source, what you can just do is to go ahead and press on the home button to make sure that you're actually at the home of the TV again, and then scroll downwards once again, scroll over to the left hand side, and then you're going to see the input source menu over here. Select it and then select any other input source you want for your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.